Come one, come all, and step right up for some family fun. Hilton Head Island Elementary School held its first ever Math and Literacy Carnival.
We tried to plan a monthly event to provide an opportunity for families to come in so we can build relationships and help them support their children at home.
We decided to do this year to get our students interested and excited about math and reading.
Students had the chance to grab some tasty treats like popcorn and cotton candy and then went table to table playing lots of math and literacy games.
Each table focuses on a different skill for mathematics or reading, and our teachers are volunteers tonight. They've come out to really support our students and our families.
Students had lots of fun testing out their math and literacy skills as they took part in the challenging activities.
A lot of these games were really fun, and also they help with my multiplication skills and reading skills.
I'm trying to build a shape out of rubber bands, and I'm on the star. It's pretty fun because it's challenging and it just resets.
We were using multiplication because you would pick up a dominoes and you would times the numbers on the dominoes. It was fun because you have to know all your math facts to play that game.
The school hopes the students and their families will take what they learned at the event and continue to build on those skills at home.
Parents want to know how to help, and so they appreciate activities like this where staff and volunteers can model specific strategies to help their children at home with whether it's math or literacy.
We're hoping that parents understand that reading is a great way to bond with your student, and also mathematics is really just fun to play at home. There are tons of really math-rich games that you can either purchase in the store or that you can source online, and it's a really great way for families to bond together and just spend a lot of good quality time.
More than 150 families signed up to take part in the Math and Literacy Carnival. At Hilton Head Island Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.